While searching for some lens protectors for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, I came across these ones by ESR. Inside the box we get a cleaning kit, an installation guide, and also the lens protectors. So the way we install these particular lens protectors is to remove this film off the back here and then push down the lens protectors and adhere them to the lenses on the rear of the S22 Ultra. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to clean the lenses first. So first of all, I'm going to use the wet wipe. Then I'm going to use the drying cloth to dry off any excess fluid from the wet wipe. And then I'm going to use this dust removal sticker to remove any excess dust after I've cleaned the lenses. And now it's time to put the lens protectors on. So first thing is I'm just going to take the little film off the back here. Then I'm going to place the lens protectors over the lenses, and then I will apply some pressure to fix the lens protectors over the lenses. And then lift off the guide that held in the lens protectors. And as we can see here, each of the individual lens protectors have gone on really well, and each one is a perfect fit. Also, as we can see here, all the lens protectors fit inside my ESR clear case. And these are some before and after shots. And if you would like to remove the lens protectors at a later date for any reason, as you can see here, they do not mark or damage the lenses. Okay, so there we have it then, some pretty awesome lens protectors for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra by ESR. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. And as ever, there will be links in the video description taking you to Amazon where you can buy anything used in this video.